Hey, what's up? So today in this video, we're going to look at Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and we're going to look at how to simple control, how to zoom in and out of like clips, especially when you're editing. It's going to help a lot. So basically, I don't think you even have to click anything. Actually, no, I'm lying. So if you click up here and on your keyboard, if you see plus and minus, so plus will zoom in, minus will zoom out. That's how you zoom in, zoom out. You can also use this to like zoom in and zoom out. So there's two ways to do it. Now, if you want to do it down here, same concept. You press plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out, or you can use this bottom thing down here to zoom in and zoom out. So super simple. I just started playing with this program, so I'm making this video in case I forget in the future too. So yeah, that's how you would zoom in, zoom out. If you need any other stuff like video transitions and stuff, I have different videos for that. So check it out. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right? Peace.